Hello, I'm in a 2014 Kia Soul, and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So from the driver's side, we'll go down. You should see a lever here that will pull. It's a release lever. There should be a little bit of tension on this. If you're having issues with this, you might need to get behind this plastic, make sure the cables are still attached with a little tightness. But we'll go up to the front. The hood should be slightly loose now. And then there should be a lever here, so I'm going to kind of pinch and lift. Pinch and lift. It's got these little hydraulics that are holding the hood up. And this is what that hook looked like. I was pinching. I had to reach in just a little bit for it. But make sure there's no debris stuck in here that needs cleaned up, nothing bent out of place. And then these are where it's hooked onto here. So again, make sure nothing's straight, bent out of place. And check your hood alignment, make sure everything's straight, because if this closes crooked, that could cause you issues as well. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.